Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this large dresser that we're going to redo. So follow along, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this project started. Alright, overall this piece is in pretty good condition. I need to reset the magnet for that one. So what we're going to do is remove all the hardware. We're going to pull all the drawers, check the subframe, make sure everything looks good there. And if there's anything that's wrong, well, we'll fix it. We'll tighten it up, glue, whatever needs to be done. Then we'll start sanding, painting. Then we're going to scuff it up a little bit, give it a vintage look. We'll wax it, and well, put the hardware back on, and this project's going to be done. I'm aiming to have this thing done in 4 hours. So we got to get started. So let's do a quick run by of it, show you the before, and then I'll start removing this hardware. Alright, so we've got all the drawers removed, all the tracks are solid, so we're starting off with a really good piece. Now, we're going to sand it down. The reason we're sanding it down is get rid of any of the slickness, any of the chrome, dirt, gunk that's been built on this. It'll also create some micro scratches in it, which will help that paint stick really well. Now, we use really good paint, but I also like to sand things down. It makes it last a lot longer. It is a dirty job, but I think it's worth it at the end. So, DeWalt sander, we'll do all the straight areas with it. We'll take the sandpaper off after that and do all the curves, a lot of the drawers, things like that. And then we'll wipe it out, vacuum it out, and we'll get this project ready for paint. So, let's get through this rough spot. Alright, we're in my garage. It is getting warm out here in Phoenix, so we're going to try to get into some shade. It helps that paint not dry as quickly. We'll paint it, we'll stick it outside where it will dry quick. We'll get 2 coats on all the drawers, the backs of the doors, and then we'll work on the frame and the front of the drawers. And well, we've got probably about 2 hours of painting ahead of us. I'm going to use today Behr Premium Pet Plus Prime and Paint. The color is Blackout, so it's the darkest of the blacks. And our Wooster brush, we're still going at it. It's still a good brush, so we're going to keep using it. So let's get started. Backsides and the drawers we'll start with. Alright, we've painted it, we've let it dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff it up. Got some old 80 grit sandpaper here. Now this is a step that you definitely could skip if you like that solid look, but with us, well, we want it to look a little aged, a little farm stylish. So, just going to go over this nice and easy, just a little bit of edge work, things like that. We'll do the drawers, the doors, the backside of the doors, frame here, and then we'll get to waxing it. So, more sanding, right? And it's already 100 and some degrees out, so let's get started, get this done as fast as we can. sanded it down. Now we're just gonna add a nice little wax to it. You can use polyurethane or whatever your preference is, but we really like the paste wax. Wipe it on, wipe it off. We'll do that to the frame, drawers, doors. We'll get it all done. So the next time you see this piece, well, it'll be completed. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed, Blackout Black. We scuffed it up a little bit, put a wax on it, and well, the transformation's quite amazing. Whoever buys this is going to be super happy with it, and well, we'll move on to the next project. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment, tell us what you think.